Oh, hi guys, thanks for being here. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my easy bachelor's okra soup with tinned fish using these simple ingredients. So I've dedicated this bonus video to make sure that I cook something that you can do on the go that can also be delicious at the same time and also less time consuming. So bachelors, grab your pans, pots, cooking sticks and everything you need in the kitchen and let's get cooking right now. As per tradition, I like adding onions or shallots first on heating oil so that they can release those juices. It just makes a difference when you first add your onions. You go in with the salt and make sure you stir that up and cook the onions until they caramelize or they brown just a little bit. Oh, curry powder goes so well with okra, I swear. I also go in with ginger, which by now we should know that is one of my favorites. I'm now gonna go on with the minced carrot, which is going to add color, flavor, as well as the much needed drama. Stir that up. Always remember to stir everything up except actual drama, because nobody needs that. So after you've stirred everything up, you can go on and add your bell peppers. You can use any color. I preferred to use yellow and red for this because I wanted that vibrant pop of color. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. One of the main ingredients, okra, is in. Make sure you give it a flip and you stir it up very gently because okra tends to be so fragile at times, especially this size that I've cut it in. I'm gonna go on with the tomato puree. You don't want to wait too long after adding the okra because okra cooks considerably fast. So at this point, I'm just going crazy with the remaining ingredients. I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna add water to just give it some more moisture because you don't want it to be very sticky. You want it to be a bit loose. Okay, another main ingredient goes in, that is the tinned fish. You can use your favorite tinned fish. I'm using Lucky Star tinned fish. Yes, looks so good. I'm so ready. The cook gods decided that it's not important that I show you how I was adding the green beans and the fresh coriander. So I'm just gonna oblige and proceed on. I've added the last ingredient, which is the green beans. I like adding the green beans at the very end because I don't like them very cooked. I like to preserve the flavor and the fragrance of the green beans, the freshness of the coriander also. Here we go. Doesn't that just look good? Come on, you know it does. You know it does. Who said bachelors can't cook a good meal? You know you can impress anybody with this. And there you have it. My bachelor's Okra-Tinned fish soup, which is very easy to prepare, very easy ingredients and very tasty. Please leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram at elmystique to keep up with all my shenanigans, including this, that, and so many more dishes that I prepare that you can learn from and that can also just satisfy your eyes. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cooking and see you next time.